What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Kieslect Lora. I actually have bought this one for my girlfriend. She has been using this one for almost 10 days now and she's super satisfied, very happy with this Kieslect Lora. If you know me, if you have watched my other videos, if you know us, then you may know that we have a lot of smartwatches. We have like 100 different smartwatches together. Personally, I have almost 78 smartwatches and my girlfriend is no different than me. She also has a lot of different smartwatches. But after I have gifted this Kieslect Lora to my girlfriend, she's like always wearing this one and praising me for a nice choice, for a nice gift. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before that, let's check the specifications of this Kieslect Lora. On the box, it says Secret to Elegance, Lady Calling Watch, Lora. Leather strap, stable Bluetooth 5.2 calling, 3D full view color display. On the side, Kieslect have also printed some features. Stable Bluetooth 5.2 calling, 3D full view color display, music player, AI voice assistant, and fadeless aluminum case, health monitoring. Well, Kieslect have also printed about many other features like 70 sport modes, sleep monitoring, breathing training, built-in games, calculator, customized dial, SMS reminder, 20 days standby, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, female cycle monitoring, weather forecast, password protection, audio clock, and IP68 rating. Wow, I really didn't know about this IP68 rating. That's really cool. Well, let's do the unboxing. The box itself is so nice. It's premium packaging, premium materials. The design and everything shows elegance. Well, after opening the box, you can see that this smartwatch can be bought with 3 different straps. I like this really. Look at this, Kieslect. Here comes our Kieslect Lora, as my girlfriend has been using this one. So it's already powered on. When we have first got this Kieslect Lora, there was a sticker to protect the screen. Underneath the smartwatch, we have got a charging dongle. Usually Kieslect offers a very good quality charging dongle, and this Kieslect Lora actually comes with the same charging dongle as Kieslect KR, the most premium smartwatch of Kieslect. I have bought an extra set of watch band for my girlfriend, and I like this one. I prefer this one. She actually uses this one when she goes to a party, but usually she uses the other one. Definitely we will talk about the straps later in this video. Let's put everything aside and let's check this Kieslect Lora. Every time when I review a Kieslect product, a Kieslect smartwatch, I always say premium build quality. Kieslect have used premium type of materials to manufacture this product, but this time it's a bit different. Because we feel like this is more than premium. This is one of the best female smartwatch out there on the market. Definitely build quality of this Kieslect Lora is better than any other smartwatches within its price segment. Why am I saying within its price segment? This one can compete with $200 or $300 smartwatches. Top quality aluminum frame, and the back panel is actually polycarbonate, but this one is well processed premium polycarbonate. It's not like Kieslect have used glue to connect the back panel with the frame. It's actually screwed. If you check carefully, then you will notice that only Apple Watch Ultra's back panel is screwed to the frame. The other brands actually uses glue to connect the back panel with the frame, so it shows how good is the build quality. Now let's talk about the display panel. Kieslect Lora comes with a 1.32-inch AMOLED panel, and on top of that display panel, there is a 3D glass panel protecting the display panel. And this 3D glass panel actually makes it very smooth to use. It's very touch sensitive, and this display panel can go very bright. There are 4 different brightness levels, and even on 50% brightness, check this. Even under heavy studio lighting, this display panel is very much visible. As this is an AMOLED panel, white is very bright, black is pretty dark, and colors are pretty vivid and vibrant. As the bezels around the display panel is pretty thin, so it's very easy to use any type of watch face, and almost all the watch faces looks very beautiful. Well, if we slide from top to bottom, then it will open control center. Inside the control center, we can select brightness, we can make phone calls, we can select do not disturb on night mode. There is a flashlight button and settings button. Inside settings, we can change watch face, we can select theme, like how you want the menu. There are 3 different options: least, spin and nest. I really like this spin option. This one is so beautiful. Look at the colors. Check this. Black is truly dark. As most of the other smartwatches comes with LCD panel, those smartwatches actually fails to deliver vibrant color, and especially the color black isn't truly dark on those smartwatches. Well, inside settings we can also select screen time, and we can select our sound profile, like whether we want ringtone, phone audio. Then there are options to reset the smartwatch. There is also an option called QR code. We can use this QR code to download the application to pair this smartwatch with our smartphone. If we slide from left to right, then there are some cursor widgets like activity widget, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep time monitoring, music control, AI voice assistant, weather, breath training, and built-in games. If we swipe from bottom to top, then it will open notification shade. There is a single button on this smartwatch, and this button actually can be used to wake up the display panel or to put the display panel in sleep mode, and we can also use this button as back button. As I've been using 3 other Kieslect smartwatches, Kieslect K10, Kieslect K11 and Kieslect KR, I have noticed that Kieslect smartwatches actually offers more accurate, truly far better than many other smartwatches within its price segment. And yeah, Kieslect Lora is also the same, offers almost perfectly accurate health monitoring data. Okay, I'm gonna use a professional health monitoring tool. Let's check side by side. How good is Kieslect Lora's health monitoring? Okay, let's talk about the application GloryFit. Yeah, we will need GloryFit application on our smartphone to pair this smartwatch Kieslect Lora with our smartphone. This application GloryFit is actually available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. I really like this real-time heart rate monitoring. Yeah, both the Kieslect Lora and Kieslect KR offers premium top-class sleep time monitoring. Almost perfect. I would say only other premium smartwatches can do the same. Any other smartwatches below $100 actually fails to deliver this type of precise sleep time monitoring data. Yeah, Kieslect Lora also offers real-time update of blood oxygen record, so that's pretty useful. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, Kieslect Lora is a very good smartwatch if you want Bluetooth call functionality, as the call quality is super crystal clear and there is no hiccups, no issues. I was like thinking, does this one comes with eSIM option? Has my girlfriend already downloaded her eSIM information to this? Then I have realized, no, she is using Bluetooth calling function, and that's super clear, super crystal, and works perfectly okay. This Kieslect Lora comes with a very special, dazzling, vibrant watch band. This one is one of the most beautiful watch bands that I have ever seen, and I'm totally sure that almost all the girls will like this watch band. Well, let's talk about watch faces. There is like almost unlimited number of watch faces. I don't know how long will it take for me to check if I want to check one by one. So I'm gonna check some of my favorite watch faces. It's really very easy to synchronize the watch face data. It's pretty fast and not like many other smartwatches which takes a long time to synchronize the watch face data. Actually, this one takes only a few seconds and watch face data is updated. What I like most about this brand Kieslect is they allow users to save the watch face data on the smartwatch. It's not like you always have to download the watch face data. Most of the other brands offers pre-installed 6 or 7 watch faces and then only one watch face that you can save. But on Kieslect Lora, you can have your favorite watch faces installed on your smartphone and smartwatch. Inside the application GloryFit, you can enable or disable heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen settings, call reminder, SMS reminder, application reminder, sedent-free reminder, raise hand to activate display, SMS quick reply, do not disturb, and yeah, there is this universal settings. Also, we can upgrade the firmware. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there is calculator, there is built-in games, there is music control function, and I think those are additional features. Yeah, definitely music control function is a very good feature, works perfectly fine, and my girlfriend likes it. But I have bought this Kieslect Lora for my girlfriend for 5 different reasons. Number 1, amazing outlook and appearance, the most dazzling smartwatch within its price segment. Why am I saying within its price segment? This one actually looks better than many other smartwatches which costs more than $300. Number 2, build quality. It's the same. This Kieslect Lora comes with premium, top-notch build quality. Number 3, Bluetooth call function. Yeah, there are many other smartwatches which comes with Bluetooth call function, but those are a bit finicky and this one is different. This one offers crystal clear call quality and I have never seen any issue because my girlfriend has never complained about it. I have tested it, I have tried it, and this one offers a very good Bluetooth call quality. As this one supports Bluetooth 5.2, Bluetooth call quality is amazing. Number 4, the display panel. This Kieslect Lora comes with an AMOLED display panel, so yeah, the display panel is one of the best. Now finally, number 5, this Kieslect Lora is IP68 rated, so definitely this one is waterproof. You don't have to worry if you're wearing it under heavy raining or whether you can take it to swimming or not. This one is IP68 waterproof. So all these 5 features together makes it one of the best, if not the best, female smartwatch available on the market. So as a long-term Kieslect user, I have Kieslect KR, I have Kieslect K11. I think Kieslect is going through the right direction. Over time, their products are getting better. They always offer firmware upgrades to make user experience better. And yeah, there is one more thing that I haven't talked through the video because I was waiting for the end to talk about this. This Kieslect smartwatch, this Lora, this one offers 30 days of standby time. You don't have to believe me. At the beginning, I didn't even believe this. But after my girlfriend has used this one heavily for days after days before she needed to recharge it, now I believe this one offers even more than 30 days of standby time. Well, that's all about this Kieslect Lora. If you are interested in this product, I have left a link in the description box below, so go ahead, check that link, check this product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.